Hello friends, welcome to the channel. This is Isha and you are watching the Craft Therapy. Today you are going to see how I decorated tiny entryway of my apartment. I've always wanted to have a foyer which is welcoming and can set the vibe of home as soon as you enter. Since we don't have that in our house, I thought why not improvise. As you can see, there is a small space between the door and the sofa. So I decided to decorate this as our entryway. I ordered these triangle mirror sheets from Amazon and started sticking them on the wall. There are a lot of ways it could be done. My guiding principles for this makeover were to do it on budget, have some storage for keys and essentials, have a mirror for final check, and of course it should be pretty. Because the switchboard, it was not possible to hang an actual mirror of any size or shape. That is why I resorted to using acrylic mirror sheets. I'm really happy how it turned out. Now it is time to paint some rocks. Arthur found this rock when he went out to play. So we decided to incorporate his treasure in the makeover.
This and do 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 this. Hey, Baracho.
Now finally, time to decorate. Here's the final reveal. I'm so excited about our new entryway decor. Please let me know in the comment section how did you like it. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel and help it grow. I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay blessed. Bye.